At one point, I really used to check for errors. I used to go out hunting for errors, and it looks like that was probably around 2011, 2012, since most of these are from that era. I used to search and search, and I used to find tons of them. Strangely, I haven't found any in about 10 years. But I left myself notes because I knew at some point I would forget what the error is. This usually has, stripes like, I can't get the shine off there. The stripes a little different. Striping error. I don't really see a big problem with that one, quite honestly. No chrome on the back wheel. Okay, yeah, that would explain that one. No flame on the tampo. Okay, yep. I pulled all of these out of just regular shops. This would appear like the striping is like dripping off the car. That's an interesting one. Side tampos, if you look at the back, seems like they're half erased or something. I wonder why I don't find these anymore. Like I said, I used to find them all the time. Something wrong with the back logos of this one. Not exactly sure what. Pinstriping is all screwed up on that one. It's amazing how many I have. Actually, you know what I'll do? I have some in bags too. This one has the side tampos completely screwed up on it. You got the regular side tampos, and then that nonsense going on there. Look at that. That's a problem at the paint factory, I must say. And what else do we have in bags? That one. What's wrong with the chrome on the wheels of the Thunderbird? Chrome, and no chrome. In fact, the chrome got put there. It looks like somebody just used a highlighter on that, but I don't know. Apparently I found it that way. And this one appears to have some problem with the headlights. Double headlights. Yeah, headlights under the headlights. Once again, these all seem to be around the same era, so I found a hell of a lot of errors around that time. No side tampos on this one either. Oh yeah, splotch on the roof. Not sure what that is. It's interesting. Missing out on something. Front window is melted. Oh, okay, look at this one. Front window completely melted. Only half of it there. Pretty hard to see. Oh, there we go. Look at that, huh? Lucky I wrote this down on a lot of them, I'd forget. Tampos are way too high. Oh yeah, they're right up on top instead of on the side. Oh, this is a weird one, look at that. The red. Whole back is red. I guess the overspray, huh? And this one, I mean, stuff like that happens a lot. The hot has disappeared. This one, I don't know. I probably should have labeled that one. There's something wrong with that though, apparently. What else have we got here? No idea what's wrong with that, or that. This one's missing the interior. How about that? Absolutely no interior on the car. Don't know how that got through quality control. This is one of the same car. Maybe I just put this in for reference or something. But this one obviously missing the white on the wheels. Large green, black back wheels. Oh yeah, that's rather bizarre. And this one says made in India instead of India. I believe that's probably on a lot of them though. India. Made in India. Yeah. A J-A instead of an I-A. Oh, okay, this is a shoebox on a Dodge Ram card. Workhorses, Dodge Ram 1500, and we got a shoebox. Okay. Most of these were before people started opening them and screwing around with them and making errors. That one missing some chrome as well. Yeah, the police on that has been erased partly. Oh yeah, look at the size of that front tire. Oh yeah, well they fit that on. It usually pops the rivets when they do that, but the thing's huge. The size of that tire on there. Wow, yikes. And this has some weird stuff with the paint there at the back. Something went wrong there. No pipes. Okay. Pipes are gone. No pipes at all on that. And then we have this one missing part of the door, if you can see there. Just gone. There's a piece missing. Right there. This is supposed to be door, but it's not. And finally, I'll wrap it up with the upside down motorcycle. I know that happens a lot too, but I mean, it's solid in there. I mean, that was definitely put in upside down. The Max Steel motorcycle. I have a few more which are loose, but as for right now, we're already at past 7 minutes, but that's what I got for errors at this point. Still searching for more, but haven't found too many lately, unfortunately.